Alright, FridayParts have kindly sent us some filters and the water pump, so we can put those in now. There's a parts book as well. That could be useful.
Geez, nicely packed.
Yeah.
Alright.
It only took like 3 days to get here actually, which was surprising.
So this is the oil.
Yeah, oil filter.
For the
engine.
Lube, yes. Well, we'll leave it wrapped up, but yeah, nice.
Hopefully they'll fit, eh?
Yep. I'd say they've done their homework.
Yeah.
Water pump.
Does that look like the one?
Oh, that.
Nice. Is the gasket there?
Yes.
Ah,
Look
nice.
at that. Brilliant.
Alright.
Yeah. Lovely. Yeah, definitely looks the same. Doesn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, that's what I want.
So the differences are though, it doesn't take heater.
Is that just the heater, was it?
Yes.
Okay.
That one's longer. See that?
Yeah, that shouldn't matter, should it?
We'll make it work. Oh, too easy. First bolt in. Why is that not lining up?
Yeah, we've got a problem with that plate not lining up properly, and we're going to have to drill that slightly.
Okay, let's give her a good clean up. That one's bit. Goodness for that.
Not right now.
No, moment of truth. Yes. Oh, goodness.
Somewhere there. That's it. Do you know if he has done the return filter recently, or didn't say anything? Okay.
Not for, I think nothing's been done for 10 years. I'm going to try and get that frickin' door open.
Yep. Oh, she's a big bloody filter. This one's even got seals on here, and the other one didn't.
Oh, nice.
Yep, that will do it. Perfect.
Someone's going our way. I'm just going to make it so.
Yep, there's a bit of compression in there, that's good. So that's sealing.
Yeah.
I reckon they could have used more sellotape, honestly.
Bit of spring in that spring still, yep.